gente, what is up? It's Gabby and welcome to Hollow Week Day 6. Today I decided to do the Bride of Frankenstein, but modernize her a bit. And what kind of makeup would the Bride of Frankenstein be rocking nowadays? E-girl makeup, that's what. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and let's get into the look. Starting off, with the Rare Beauty and Milk Makeup Prepping Spray combo. Been in love with these two lately. And now I'm going in with Collab Cosmetics. I'm gonna skip the application of my foundation because you've seen me apply this foundation several times, but I apply about 3 layers and then I go in and set everything with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Yes. Moving on to contour. So using my MAC Cosmetics Taupe blush, I'm going in on the contour per usual. Anytime I'm doing any kind of costumey look, I tend to go pretty heavy with the contour. It's just so fun. Why not? Why not sculpt your face? You know what I'm saying? So I'm applying some contour to the normal places under my cheekbone, my temple, my jawline, my nose, and then adding some on the crease of my eyelids as well. Now going in with my Bare Minerals blush in You Had Me at Merlot to add a little bit of life and color to the skin. Even though I'm undead, I'm glamorously undead. You feel me? So I'm just blending everything here with my dual fiber brush and moving on. Now using the Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony, I'm just making them really thick. I based this Bride of Frankenstein look off of e-girl makeup in general, but I also based it off of the original movie, and she had some intense brows as well. So using those two as inspo. So now with my Rare Beauty eyeliner, I'm going to begin to add the scarring and stitching on my face. I'm basing the pattern of the scarring along the jawline off of the original Universal Monster movie, and I'm just adding random stitches. Poof! Outfit change. So to add some dimension to the scars and to make them look realistic, I'm adding Girl Bye from the Frankenstein palette, adding it along each of the cuts, and then I'm adding a little dot on where the stitches are as well. And this can be kind of messy, you're undead, it doesn't matter too much. But I really do like the way that this color looked. It looked really like irritated skin, so it worked out perfectly in my humble opinion. So as you can see, I add the stitches and then I just add a little notch on the end of each of the stitches, basically making it look like an entry and exit point. And then I apply the eyeshadow to those specific points also, just to make them look irritated as well. So I'm applying my MAC Cosmetics Painterly Paint Pot in Soft Ochre to prep my lids. Now we're doing eyeshadow. I'm applying that same color. So this is the only eyeshadow color that I used for this entire look, but I'm adding that same color all over my lid, making a nice cat eye with the eyeshadow itself. So first just blending that color on my lid, then pulling it out to make that kind of cat eye look. I love this color and this palette in general. This palette truly came in clutch for these Halloween looks. It was kind of unexpected, but the way that these colors kind of saturate on the skin, the way that you can layer them or blend them out, they just are very versatile. And I'm super happy that I have this palette. All right, so we're moving on to the eyeliner. So I'm gonna add a really thick wing, BRB. Here I am with my thick wing. So I'm just running the color on the lower lash line and then just rehydrating my skin before I add my freckles with ColourPop Lip Pencil in Beeper. Just haphazardly applying these. It's part of the e-girl aesthetic, and then just taking my sponge and just kind of softening the freckles a bit. Using that same color to line my lips. Yes, looking cute. So now I'm just gonna add a little e-girl signature, some upside down triangles under my eyes. It's almost like very Harley Quinn. And now adding some mascara with my KKW Bible mascara. Just trying to use it up, Going in with On the Cusp from ColourPop. This is a Super Shock highlighter and it was absolutely perfect. I freaking love this highlighter. Again, something else that I truly love in my makeup collection that I only really realized during all these Halloween looks. I'm just going to touch up my scar because the highlighter did dull the intensity of the scar. So I'm just touching that up and I'm gonna put some fake lashes on. Here I am, got some fake lashes on. They never look perfect. Now I'm using Coqueta from Alamar Cosmetics just to add a little bit of shaping and dimension to the lips. Concentrating it on the outer corner of my lips and just blending everything together with my best tool, my fingies. Now going in with Suva Beauty, this is the Hydroliner, and I'm applying this to make the white stripes of the hair. So this was a little tricky to use. Again, these Hydroliners are a little tricky to use, but you know, I didn't have any spray and I wasn't about to bleach my hair, so I just figured that this was the best little trick, and truly it was. Gonna add some to the money pieces in the front too. I realize that this crown has nothing to do with the look, but I just feel like it went with it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna add one more little thing, and then that's just a little Frank tattoo. I just thought it was cute, you know? I just figured she would have a brow tattoo, because if I were to get any tattoo on my face, it would definitely be a brow tattoo. Anyway, that is the look, mi gente. I hope you enjoyed this e-girl bride of Frankenstein. I think she's gorgeous. She came out exactly as I wanted, and I'm so happy with it. I hope you've been liking these Halloween looks. We got one left to go, mi gente, just one. But please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram at GoGabiGabi as well. I have been just posting so many photos from all of these looks and some reels as well. And give this video a thumbs up and comment down below on what you want to see post-Halloween, you know, because I need to get some content going for post-Halloween looks. But other than that, mi gente, just remember to take a breath, drink some water. I believe in you, and I'm sending you so much light, paz, and mucho, mucho, mucho amor. Hasta la próxima! See you in the next video! Bye!